What to do if your client is asking you to build square but is missing corner? Check this out. I'm applying acid-free primer. I'm waiting 15-20 seconds. Then I'm applying a rubbing motion, a thin layer of rubber base. I cure for 20-30 seconds UV LED lamp. Then using the magic Egoista Tube Gel, I'm placing a drop on a nail plate and starting to shape using a wood stick and alcohol. I'm finding the tube gel the best in this situation because I can sculpt without placing the form, which takes lots of time. So if I do extension of building corners or free edge for length less than 5 millimeters, then this is the technique what I do. I don't do the form placement, which, believe me, it's saving you lots of time. When I'm satisfied with the results, I'm sending in a lamp for 20 seconds. Just a secret here, don't use too much alcohol because otherwise the tube gel is starting to melt and the corners will not be good. After curing of 20 seconds, I pinch and I send the finger in the lamp for another minute. I remove the sticky layer and start shaping, buffing using the file grid of 180. Just to mention, in case you have a client which bite their nails, I'm using the same technique, works perfect, and it saves you lots of time without form placement. If it's required, just file underneath the thickness of the tube gel in case it's too much. Here is our end result, a beautiful square with parallels and corners, and like and comment below if you liked this post.